Hello students, this is Shraddhali and in this video we are going to solve question number 2 of class 9th CBSE exercise 3.1. A city has two main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. These two roads are along the north-south direction and east-west direction. In the city, the two roads are there which are crossing each other and the roads are along east-west direction and north-south direction. Here, the plan of the city is given. All the other streets of the city run parallel to these roads, and are 200 meters apart. The distance between the two roads is 200 meters. Then there are 5 streets in each direction. Using 1 centimeter equal to 200 meter, draw a model of the city on your notebook. Represent the road street by using single lines. We have to draw a model of that city, and here in this question it is given that if the second street running in north-south direction and fifth street of east-west direction, okay, second street of north-south and fifth street of east-west direction is represented by 2 and 5. So 2 belongs to north-south and 5 belongs to the street number in east-west direction. So we have to write or find that how many cross streets can be referred to as 4, 3 and 3 and 4. So 4 belongs to north-south, 3 belongs to east-west. 3 belongs to, in the next question, 3 belongs to north-south, 4 belongs to east and west. So first of all, let us draw a plan of the city. This is the plan of the city. In this plan, here you can see, like this is the east-west road and this is north-south road. East-west and north-south. Between these two roads there is a distance of 200 meter. 200 meter, 200 meter, 200 meter, like this. Okay. Same for east and west road. So 5 roads. This is the street 1, street 2, street 3, street 4 and street 5 of north-south direction. And street 1, street 2, street 3, street 4 and street 5 of east-west direction. So here in the question it was given that 4th street of north-south. So north-south direction street 4 is this one. And 3rd street of east-west. So 3rd street is this one. So this 4 of north-south and 3rd of east-west is crossing each other here. So by the name the coordinate is 4 and 3. In the question it is asked second street 2 and 5. Where 2 and 5? So 2 of north-south and 5 of east-west. 2 of second street of north-south and 5th street of east-west is crossing each other here. So it is 2, 5. Similarly, 3rd street of north-south and 4th street of east-west. So it will give you this point. Now in the question it's asked like how many cross sections can be referred as 2, 5 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 3. So how many cross sections will be there? Of course only one will be there, because 3rd street, for example, if we take 3 and 4, so 3rd street of north-south and 4th street of east-west is only once. It's only once in this entire combination. Okay, in this entire combination this 3, 4 will comes only once. This 3 and 4 will never lie anywhere in this Cartesian plane. So for each and every cross section, not only for 2, 5 or 3, 4 or 4, 3, not only for this point, but for each and every cross section, it will be, this arrangement will be unique. This arrangement will be unique in this entire Cartesian system. Okay, so how you will answer it? You have to answer like this. In both the cases, the only one cross street can be referred for one coordinate, because the representation of each coordinate will be unique in the Cartesian plane. Now if 4 and 3 is appearing here in the Cartesian plane, so it will never appear anywhere in another quadrant in any of the arrangement. Okay. In the next video, we are going to start exercise 3.2.